guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sarah Sutton. I'm an indie author of 4, soon to be 5 young adult romance books. I post videos 2 times a week on this channel, sometimes 3. I don't know, maybe we'll get back to 3. I hope we'll get back to 3, but for now, 2 times a week. And I post sit-down videos about publishing related stuff, writing, and lifestyle vlogs. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like my intro changes. Aw, this one didn't get curled. I feel like my intro changes like all the time, but that's fine, it's fine. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. From the title of this video, you probably already know what we're doing. We are going over a book brush together, and we're going to be making some fun instant mock-ups. I've never really sat down and dived deep, so I'm really excited to do that today. I see so many gorgeous instant mock-ups on Instagram and on Twitter. People who have used book brush, so I'm super excited to see how I can do, if I can make anything that's fun and pretty too. Fingers crossed. But we'll see, and we'll see together. So yeah, I am partnering with Book Brush on this video to try it out. I asked a question on Instagram a few days ago, maybe like a week ago at this point. What you guys want to see more content from me wise? Did I say that right? What you guys want to see from me content wise on this channel? And a lot of you actually asked for more publishing industry related content. So I figured this would be a great video for you guys if you're interested in looking into Book Brush and you just want to see how it works and see if it is user-friendly. So I feel like this is a great little intro into our maybe publishing industry-related kind of videos. Maybe I'll make this like a theme. If you guys want me to check out any other kind of brands or websites, leave them down below and I'll do a whole deep dive. I did one of these for a book funnel, I don't know, a year ago at this point. So I could add that. I could add this to that list. So if you guys want me to check out anything else, let me know in the comments. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. Also, I'm repping the merch today. My boyfriend is my laptop. I also cropped it. If you guys didn't know I have merch, it's on Redbubble and I'll link it down below. Okay, now let's get on with the video. So I'm going to record my screen. How do we do that again? Oh, right here. Cool. So how to get started, everything you need to start learning book brush and making beautiful images. We have custom creator, instant mockups, book box creator, cover creator, trailer creator. Trailer creator? I'm gonna look into that someday. Also, the book box creator is really interesting too because I've been debating about doing a book box for my books. I think I would hire it done, but it'd be really fun to like try my hand at it first. But today what we're gonna do is we're gonna go look at instant mock-ups. And oh my gosh, right off the bat. Oh, so I see, guys, 1,203. Wait, there was filters I could have used. Fudge, I should have done that. This is so cool. Okay, so I guess what it is, okay, let's do this one to start. Let's do this one to start. This one's really cute. Okay, we have to click the cover you want to use. We need to add our cover, right? So we're gonna go and use my latest book cover. We're gonna do 2 kinds of us. Click the cover we want to use. I mean size. I don't know. Let's do this one. Let's just do this. Convert now. This can take about 4 seconds per image, although it depends on your internet speed. My internet speed sucks. So, oh, was it really as simple as that? What? What? Was it really that simple? What? This is so adorable too. Okay, let's make some more. Let's do summer. Guys, this one's perfect. I did not realize this was going to be that easy. I thought I would have to like drag and drop the corners myself. Doing that is so hard sometimes because the book isn't perfectly aligned to the box. So that's kind of annoying, but this is just perfect. You guys! This is perfect! Fudge nugs. I got an obsession now. Oh, this is so cute. Oh wait, can I do multiple at a time? Oh my gosh, I think I can. We're just gonna go clicking. Oh, I love this one. This one's so pretty. That one's pretty too! This one's pretty too! Oh, fudge nugs. I've created a monster. Okay. Let's just see how that works. We'll do multiple at a time, see how that works. I love this so much. Okay, it's working. It's working. All right. That's good. You're going good, honey. There's a lot going on in the background. You're good. Don't overwork yourself. I'm I'm so download my images, please. Sometimes it can take a download process a minute or two. Okay, gotcha. Oh, we're open. It's a zip file. Let's open up our zip file. Fudge nugs. Okay, wait, quick look. Holy fudge nugs. These are so cute. Yes, this one's we had that one. These are so cute. I don't even know what to say right now. Okay, no wonder people use book brush. This is amazing. This is absolutely the coolest thing I think I've ever seen in my entire life. And that sounds like a massive exaggeration, but you guys have no idea how much of a struggle it is, or like how annoying it is when you have have like an image and you try to size your book cover to that image. Like, and doing it myself, like say I did this image right here with this girl with this awesome hair color. Is it like red? I adore it. So let's say I have my book image for this, okay? What we would do, we have to add it to the image and we have to size it down, you know, so it would kind of fit. Obviously it doesn't fit, still gotta play around with it. But even if I sized it like this, you can see that it's not perfect up here. I'd have to like raise it and it just doesn't look natural, you know? And then I'd have to like widen it this way and I shouldn't have to widen it. And then I'd have to come with the erase tool. Oh, that's giant. I'd have to come with the erase tool and erase it so like her arm is not cut off by the book title, by the book cover, you know? And it's so much effort. Having this instant mock-up is insanely awesome. I can't pull on one corner. So you see, like if I pull on this corner, it resizes the entire image up or down. So I can't take this one corner and tug it this way without the entire image moving. You know what I mean? This is a perfect example. See how this book is on an angle? I can't make it so my book cover looks natural on this, you know? You know what I mean? See, it doesn't fit for one. And then even if I pull like this, it just looks not natural, you know? So having this instant mock-up where it just does look natural, like, oh, it's such a lifesaver, you guys. And they're beautiful images too. I'm gonna fall down a rabbit. Oh! Ooh. This one's beautiful. Kind of like a 3D as well. Oh! These are so cool. Oh my gosh, the audiobook ones. I've always wanted to have. This is where people do their cover reveal photos. I've always wanted to be able to do that, but I had no idea how people did it. This is where they come. I've been missing out on so much. And then they can do like half cover. I love that so much. So yeah, that was us looking over the instant mock-ups today. I love what we have. I feel for if the broom fits now. So let's upload. Because I saw these fun Halloween ones. Let's do a few for if the broom fits. This one kind of looks to be cute. And this one's kind of fun and Halloween-y. So I think those two would be good. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. Okay, calm down, Sarah. Sheesh. Okay, let's try these two. Convert now. Oh, I forgot to click though. Sorry. There you go. Click. Convert now. I'm going to be posting so many graphics about my books lately. You guys better watch out. Follow me on Instagram, Sarah May Sutton. Oh, there they are. Okay, let's look. That turned out beautiful. I think it's a little bit more like sci-fi fantasy-ish for this book. Now that I'm looking at it up close. But I love the orange. Anyway, this one's fun too. Oh my gosh. This is so very Halloween-y. I love it. I do love the Two Kinds of Us one, so let's look at it one more time. Two Kinds of Us is just a beautiful cover. Oh. My cover designer, Designed with Grace, did an amazing job. Fudge. Oh, I love that one. Should we do one more? Let's do one more. Let's do, ooh, yeah, there's a fall option. Oh, this would be a perfect one for the broom fits. Anything else? This would be a good one. This one would be a good one. Let's go with those ones. Convert. Oh my gosh. Look how stunning these look. Oh my gosh, I could just see like some text on this. And I think there is an option on BookBrush where you can go in and add text. So this would be perfect. That one's so pretty. I'm so excited about this, guys. I love this so much. If you guys want to try out BookBrush, I do have a discount code. It's all caps Sutton15 for 15% off of your lifetime discount. And the account renews annually, but so does the discount. The discount renews annually as well. So you get 15% off of your lifetime discount every single year. This is a lifesaver. For me, marketing is really important. For self-published authors, marketing is pretty important. Very important. Okay. It's very important because if you don't market your book, no one's going to know it's out there. So having these beautiful images like this is, like I said, a lifesaver. And I just feel like I'm like literally excited about it. I'm so excited about this. I don't even know. Do you guys want more videos on BookBrush? Let me know down below because I would love to go over with you guys the trailer creator or any of it really. Oh my gosh, this would be so fun. So let me know down below if you think we should do more BookBrush videos. I'm gonna have to pull myself away from this. This one's beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Sarah Sutton. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe down below. Remember that lifetime discount Sutton15 gets you 15% off of a lifetime discount for BookBrush. So if you're interested in that, check it out. I definitely think anybody who is interested in like upping their marketing game definitely needs to check this out because y'all, I have been missing out. Oh my gosh. And it'd be so easy to like curate your Instagram feed with these images too because they're like great quality. I'm not like shocked or anything, but I feel like very impressed and very excited. Alright, I'm Sarah Sutton. I'm an indie author of 4, soon to be 5 young adult romance books. 2 Kinds of Us is still available for pre-order. I think we're like halfway to our pre-order goal, 50 pre-orders. So yay! Thank you to everybody who has pre-ordered so far. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye! So whatever you guys want me, so if you want guys, fudge, no,